welcome to my channel. Here we have 10 minus 2 parenthesis 6 plus 2 then minus 4. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Then we'll put down 10 minus 2 times 8 minus 4. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. Then 8 times 8 minus 4. 8 times 8 is 64. Then we have 64 minus 4, which is equals to 60. So 60 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, there is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Then we'll put down our 10 minus 2 times 8 minus 4. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. So first of all, solve our multiplication, which is 2 times 8. 2 times 8 will give us 16. We'll put down our 16 here. Then we have 10 minus 16 minus 4. We first of all solve our 10 minus 16 because we move from our left to our right. 10 minus 16 will give us minus 6. Then minus 6 minus 4 will give us minus 10. So minus 10 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.